Today I'm going to show you how to paint a Christmas tree in 5 easy steps. I mixed a little phthalo green, yellow ochre, and some black to create a dark army green. To start things off, let's start outlining our tree with a series of small strokes. I call this the mustache method because it's like creating 4 layers of mustaches. We'll start small, working our way down, and we're going to make each layer larger than the last. Now we're going to fill in the gaps and create an outline of bristles to join each layer. I'm going to add a few bristles to the top as well. Now we're going to join the whole thing together by filling in the white space in the middle. I'm going to mix a little more paint, once again using the phthalo green and yellow ochre, but this time I'm going to add more black for some dark details. Now that the small details are done, I'm going to apply a second layer to the whole tree. The branches on a fir tree point in all directions, so let's add some little sprigs pointing up and down. Taking your brush, feel free to mash it down on the paper to create some irregular shapes and shadows. You can stop whenever you want, but I'm going to add a few more details to create some depth. Now that the tree is done, we'll create the star. I'm using a mixture of Chinese white and yellow ochre. First, let's draw a straight line coming out of the top of the tree. Next, add a second line to form a cross. Now draw an X on top of the cross. If I'm being honest, that turned out way better than I thought. Adding some ivory black, burnt sienna, and you guessed it, yellow ochre, I created a light brown color. Now taking our brown, I'm going to add some more shadows to refine the edges of our star. Let's draw the stem. Using our brown mixture, let's start by painting a small cylinder shape. Adding more brown, let's blend it all. Taking a touch of ivory black, paint a line down the center of the tree stem and add some dark outlines to sharpen it up. Now it's time to add our ornaments. Taking a little red, I'm going to add a bunch of circles. Your circles don't have to be perfect. I'm leaving the center open to create a slight shine on each ornament, but we'll fill that in later. Taking a little Chinese white, let's add some lights to our tree. You want to make sure the paint is nice and thick or the white won't show up on the green background. Before we wrap it up, let's add some finishing touches. I took a little alizarin crimson and added a shadow to the underside of each ornament. Taking a little more dark paint, I'm going to add more depth to the branches and the tree stem. Thank you so much for watching. Please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and we'll see you next time.